All right, y'all, we are out here with the Hobao to give a speed test on this. I'm in a bigger open area. Real quick, you guys see the GPS there is catching 7 miles per hour. The wheelie bar is actually from rcspeedmonsters. So I did get a wheelie bar on the front skid plate for this, and they have it actually set up and it fits perfectly on here. And then also this is, I think this is 160 grams. So you can get this from Hobao directly when you buy the car. It actually helps weigh the front end and stuff down. So I'm not going to get into a lot of detail and try to extend the video out to make it longer. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to set this up. We're going to run it on 6S and try to throw some 2.4s in there to run this on 8S as well. So let me get this set up and let's try a 6S run. All right, y'all, like I said, we're not wasting any time. Got the body on there. I'm probably going to have to buy some cat packs. I was trying to avoid doing it, but this should be, I got my car pretty much lowered down too, so that's kind of that scraping you guys hear there. So anyway, let's go, let's go. Woo, it's getting up pretty good. That was a good pass. Going back down one more time. Yeah, he's trying to catch some air. Thank God I got this wheelie bar on here. Let's see what kind of speed we got with that. That's a good pass. Yeah, if I didn't have this on here, I'd probably went airborne. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do on 8S, and I probably need to raise my body up some. But anyway, let's see what we did. That was pretty good. I got off the throttle some because I did see it kind of lifting up some. Oh, look at that. So my tire kind of came off and this kind of got loose. I think I'm hitting too hard, and I probably should have put some Loctite on back here for that. But anyway, let's see what kind of speed we got. So we'll probably just do this on 6S. If I can get this body clip out. You guys know how that is sometimes with these body clips. And I think I'm actually just gonna stick to 6S right now until I can do a couple of things with this. And oh, the GPS would start trying to act up, right? I think I can press it here. And we got 97. I know I can do 101 set up like this. Let me tighten this up just a little bit. This is not going to be the best because the tire did kind of come off of there because I should have put some Loctite when I put those on there. So if you do get this, put some Loctite on these screws that go on there underneath there, because you guys see that screw is coming loose there. So definitely put some Loctite on there. So give me just a second. I want to beat that 97. I want to get 100 with this. So let me get this tighten back up and set this back up and try another pass. All right, y'all, don't do what I'm doing. I'm gonna run this without the body. The body is catching a little wind. I don't wanna trim the body up, but you guys see, this is still, this can stop acting up, 97 miles per hour. So we're gonna take this down. I hope this car is not pulling in here. They are. So let me let this car get in here real quick. And then, okay, they're going down there. Don't do this, y'all. You never run your car, speed runs without the body on it. It's a disaster, but we're gonna do it. I think my temperature's okay to do one more pass. And you never wanna do back-to-back runs like this, but. Ooh, yeah, that's getting up good and that's smooth. So the body is catching some air. And I wouldn't even need the wheelie bar, really. And I go 8S, I will. Let's get this back down here. So definitely would have to do some cutting on the body. I know, oh, do this, do that, y'all. But I want to keep my body. So I got another body for doing speed runs, but I'm not going to do it with that one. So hopefully my GPS is acting crazy again. I got another one on order, guys, so don't worry. Hopefully I do see this is going to be triple digits if we can get this right. I think I see, there we go, 103. So I'm happy with that. Definitely. This GPS. Oh, now you stay. So there we go, 103 miles per hour. That's not bad at all. And this right here is my fault. I should have put a little Loctite on there, screw those in tighter. But I have another tire and stuff to put on there, so that's not going to be a problem there. So 103 miles per hour on 6S. Has a lot more potential to go faster. I just got to do some adjustments and definitely change these connectors out because these are definitely robbing some of the power and stuff with it. But anyway, I'm not going to run 8S. We're just going to do 6S. So you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Look at that body rubbing in the front. Thanks, guys, for watching.